class 85 servo stabilizer. The output voltage will be equal to input voltage plus the voltage at the secondary of this transformer, buck boost transformer, that is VBB dash. Now to this transformer supply is given from an auto transformer whose whose moving contact is controlled by a motor called as servo motor. Now one of the terminal of the primary of buck boost transformer is in the middle of the auto transformer. The moving terminal, if it is above, then the input voltage supplied to the buck boost transformer will be in one phase. If it is below the fixed terminal, that is the middle terminal of the auto transformer, then the phase applied to the primary of buck boost transformer will be reversed. So output voltage will be equal to input voltage plus or minus this voltage. If the distance between F and M is more voltage will be applied to the P, more voltage will be available at secondary of this transformer. So we can control the output voltage even for a fraction of volt, or at least in order of 1 volt also, because there is smooth movement. The control circuit will sense the output voltage. If the output voltage is equal to the input voltage, it will give signal to the motor such that M will be touching F. So no input to P, no output at S. So voltage of S will be 0. Output voltage will remain in same condition, that is equal to input voltage. If the output voltage increases, now the control circuit will send the signal to the servo motor such that it moves the moving contact say above the F. Then what happens is some voltage will be applied to P. At S you will get some output. This will be now in the subtractive phase with respect to V in. Means when output voltage increases, then this will be the phase of this will be opposite to the supply voltage. So output will be equal to V in minus V BB dash. When the voltage at the output decreases the required value, reverse case happens and M is brought to the lower side, that is below F. Then voltage applied to P will be in opposite phase. Hence this secondary voltage will be added to the input voltage to get or correct the output voltage. Since there is smooth control, there is continuous movement, hence here we can get very good regulation. If you require output voltage say 230 volts, the servo motor will be moving such that the output will be always around 229 to 231. You will get a regulation of 1 volt plus or minus 1 volt. In case of relay voltage stabilizer, it is not the case. But here there will be a small sound of the motor movement, because even for a small variation in the input or the load, when the output decreases, changes, the motor will be operating. It will be continuously responding.